the city of Nashville was flooded, and they needed actuators so they'd have their water supply back online. We moved them to the front of the line of all our other production, worked overtime to get those out so those people could have drinking water.
Whether responding to a national emergency or responding to the everyday needs of its customers,
the actuators that we depend on must be reliable. We service water to in excess of 200,000 individuals in 3 counties.
AUMA has earned its reputation as one of the world's leading manufacturers of electric actuators.
AUMA Actuators is a global company. We're a very strong player internationally, but we really have a true presence here in North America. Most of the parts that we ship domestically do come from this facility here, and we're quite proud of that fact.
Proud is a word you hear a lot from the staff at this facility. Justin Ledger is the project manager at AUMA's plant in Canonsburg, just south of Pittsburgh.
We have a state-of-the-art facility here. We also have a modular product and a modular layout of our factory floor. It's very energetic.
It's here that AUMA designs and manufactures 80% of all the actuators the company sells from this Canonsburg plant. These people also build every critical part.
We really believe that the people are our company, and they understand how important it is to build a quality product on a daily basis.
Half a century ago, AUMA started building its rugged and reliable actuators, enhancing and improving them through the years. These units now control the flow-through valves in industries such as water and wastewater treatment plants, oil refineries, electric power generating plants, including nuclear facilities, and many more.
My name is Sam Bernardo, and I'm the president of AUMA USA. We're a privately owned company, and that's a big competitive advantage. Unlike publicly held companies, we're not concerned with quarterly earnings, we're not concerned with the stock price. That's very important because it allows us to take the long view. One of our strengths is we only make electric actuators. We make only one product and we make it extremely well.
That expertise is evident in AUMA's machine shop, where the sophisticated operation guarantees precision. It's manned by skilled colleagues who exemplify the company's motto. AUMA hires not just for aptitude, but also attitude.
People come here every day determined to make the best product that we can make.
On the shop floor, a core group of men and women are cross-trained to work in various departments.
It's important to know what the next person's doing because each job is dependent upon one another.
Here, Leo, grab the wall mount cables, let's put these in.
Training is also key. Besides coming in with prior vocational knowledge, the newer employees are mentored by experienced staff members.
Grab the other one, put the last one in, have everything on top so the customer sees them.
This is what I built at AUMA Actuators. This is an SG7. This portion is the motor. Up here we have the control unit. This would be the gearbox area of the unit, and below would be the output.
Len Chesno not only builds the actuator, he also does product inspection.
We'll look at the drawings. We'll look at all the specs on the unit. We make sure that all our units meet our customers' specifications.
And that's just part of AUMA's quality control program. Subassembly testing is done on smaller components as they move through the plant.
Each subassembly area has its own set of inspection criteria that must be met before it can be moved on to the next major assembly area.
A vital portion of the testing takes place here, where Paul Souza is Quality Control Manager.
It's my job to make sure that all the products that we produce here in Pittsburgh meet the customer requirements and that they also meet the quality requirements of AUMA as a company.
This is the Coordinate Measuring Machine, or CMM, which measures machined parts to make sure they meet all specifications, while the staff keeps up with the latest trends in quality control.
Is it within tolerance?
Yes.
is I make sure that what goes out the door here at AUMA Actuators is the finest, highest quality electric actuator available.
But long before these actuators are packed and shipped, another team has been working behind the walls of the factory floor. The Digital Communications Department assures that the actuators AUMA sells are properly integrated into any plant's control system. Customers work in advance with engineers to make sure that the actuators they ultimately buy will operate perfectly in the field, sometimes in extreme environmental conditions. This makes commissioning and startup run smoothly.
This is our AC.2 actuator control as mounted on an SA actuator. With this complete unit, a customer can mount this on a valve, and they have capability of controlling that valve via local control through push buttons, hand crank, or remote control via field bus technology.
These engineers make sure everyone in the sales department has a good working knowledge of the product.
Good afternoon, this is Janelle in Applications. Can I help you? I'm good at what I do because I pay attention to the details.
People like Janelle Rance, who work with customers, review their specifications, and ask all the right questions.
What is the motor voltage? There are possibly thousands of combinations of actuators that we could sell to our customers. And it's my job to go through the information that they provide to me and pick out which combination that they need. To make sure they get the correct product that they need the first time and as quick as possible. And obviously at the best price.
And it doesn't end there. In customer service, these team members are on the front line when a customer has a question or needs assistance.
I know the product really well. I know how it operates, how it's supposed to function.
Those are just some of the reasons why Ray Barringer and his team are so good at helping customers who call for service.
After the sale, we don't forget the customer. We have 24-hour support, and I have personally been at customers' job sites at 2 o'clock in the morning because that's when the customer needed me.
Service, testing, production, design, all the way back to the customer's initial order.
When I leave here at the end of the day, I want to make sure that the customer's needs have been met. I want them to know they were taken care of and they were in my thoughts that day.
These are people who understand the importance of quality.
They know that their name is on that product, and they're very proud of that fact.
Quality is our mission statement at AUMA.
And that's something AUMA's team in Pittsburgh doesn't take for granted.
AUMA Actuators have proven to be extremely reliable for us. Our installation was 105 valves. The AUMA application proved to be a tremendous success story.
When I drive past different places like water treatment plants, sewage plants, power plants, I know that there's AUMA actuators there. I know that I was part of the team that build the actuators that are in these plants. Makes me feel fantastic.